What's been up, guys? Yes, it's your girl Taylor Eve. Still doing what I do best, modeling, acting. Oh no, fucked up on the play. Oh.
Hit me. Hit me, hit me, check me out. I said these mental notes, check me out. Check me out.
Talk your shit. Duh. Hey y'all, it's your girl Taylor Eve, and I know it's been too long, but I'm back and I'm on my shit, okay? New life, new place. It's just been a journey, to be honest, but just came through just with a quick video, get ready with me, something like a conversation, of course. Why not have a conversation? Let me keep y'all up to speed on what's been going on with me. So, come on. What's been up, guys? Yes, it's your girl Taylor Eve. Still doing what I do best, modeling, acting. Oh no, fucked up on the play. Oh. Don't you hate when your contacts want to act bougie? Like they just can't go in at this time. Like they just gotta give you a hard time. Like, bruh, just go in my eye. Okay. But no, like a lot has happened since. A lot has happened since my last video, to be honest. I moved in with my mom. Well, more so, we got a place together. Wouldn't say we moved, I just moved back in with her. But we do have a place together. I love it. I don't really care that I stay with my mom because my mom's my best friend, to be honest. And then on top of that, I'm trying to live the most frugal life as possible right now. I'm really trying to commit on making that bag in 2020, you know what I'm saying? Really becoming the bag in 2020. But it was just really the best thing for me to do. Why not move in with her, help her out, you know what I mean? Like, I couldn't find a roommate. I don't like just living with anybody anyway. And I know you're thinking, why not move in with your boyfriend? I don't have one of those either anymore. You know, life really shows you through day-to-day events, through just life. It shows you what you really need. Once you take time and you really pay attention to everything that has been going on, you see that some stuff wasn't worth it. I'm gonna try to be as quickly as possible because, of course, I have a photo shoot and I'm running late, per usual. But I have been writing more, acting still, but writing more. I find myself really enjoying writing. Like, don't forget to check out my skit, please and thank you. Reels on there as well. It's not on Eve's Mental Notes, but it definitely is on Taylor Eve the Creator. That is the page, Taylor Eve the Creator, the channel that you should be watching besides Eve's Mental Notes. But I started doing skits, so I put my first skit on here. I'm gonna try to commit to doing one a week, but I'm writing every day. It's like the films that I'm writing are just all kinds of things. So, been linking up with videographers, cinematographers. They've really been wanting me to collab with them, so why not? You know, I'm just gonna get this bag. I'm trying to be the bag. See, that's how you be the bag. You know what you are, you know who you are, and you apply the pressure. Then people are gonna come towards you, and then you became the bag. Damn, I'm good. But yes. 2020 is gonna be all about self-growth. Honestly, when I turned 29 in October, I really made that be my journey to 30. Literally, like health-wise, mentally-wise, spirituality, just everything. I mean, I have to become who I need to become. I mean, I am slowly, but it's time to apply the pressure. All 2020. Why would you be sitting here knowing that everything that you know, and you don't even apply it? I know a lot of shit. I learned a lot of shit this year. 2019 was very, 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 very challenging for me. Mentally challenging, spiritual, oh my God, spiritually. But it's a wrap. You already know, 2020 is a wrap for me. Let me do my makeup a little bit. I'll be back. So yeah, it's all about pressing forward, opening businesses, making money in 2020. Like, I don't do nothing else. I don't even want to be in another relationship. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to be emotionally attached to anything but that bag. But me. Come on now. It's so hard to be in a relationship and really need to attain where you need to go. Really go where you need to go. It's really hard. When both parties either aren't on the same page or what really is hard is when you're about the other person's growth and they're not about your growth. Like, it's hard, honestly. Whoever was with me, we're about to grow. Like, can't do nothing but grow. I don't want to do nothing but grow. Be better. Like, why would I want to sit and be in the same spot 2 years later? We'll have more chit chat, girl about guys about girl conversations, you know? Definitely. I'm still learning how I want to do my channel. For sure, still learning how to do it though. Yes, I'm bald, y'all. It's a later video because I need a whole haircut. Trying to revamp and see what really works for me, you know? It's hard really trying to find a niche. Why can't I do so much, you know? And I think my niche is everything with realness. Because I don't really know how to fake the funk, as y'all can see, struggling. Last little bit, I'm gonna rip that thing. Last little bit. You know, I'll put this under my eyes and shit. You know, how much that? I hope it's enough for what I need to be done today. as fuck. Okay. But really, my get ready with me moments is literally gonna be something like this. Shit, I don't really know what to talk about. I'm still learning. I just need to put content out. Content. That's what they say. Put more content out and you'll get the followers. Ladies, subscribe, like, comment, let me know. Ladies, gentlemen, whoever, let me know. Help me out. Sub for sub, even. I don't care. Just let me know. I'm trying to grow. Get better. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just a regular schmegular chick trying to make it in the world. Even when I get the money, I'm still gonna be that regular schmegular chick, but with some coins. Okay? I'm not here to be a professional. To be honest with you, I might do one makeup tutorial on like every day. Yeah, everyday chicks makeup, but I get a lot of compliments on my shit on a daily basis. I'm taking my shit up. That was a fun little quick chit chat. But let me hurry up so I still have to eat. Just vibe out. It's ease mental notes. Don't forget to talk your shit. Okay? I'm getting my coins up. 2020 is going to be my blackout year anyway. So I'm trying to shop all black-owned businesses. So if you have one, hit me up. Let me know. Follow me on Instagram, Eve Just Be Chillin'. I changed that too. That is Eve Just Be Chillin'. Another thing that I thought about this year is networking. Well, the rest of this year into the whole top came off. But really, the rest of this year into next year is all about networking. I'm taking advantage of every single opportunity I can. There's no way that I should be missing out on anything. Fuck it. Why not? And again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. I want to know who you are. I don't know what color lip I'm going to do there. Shout out to my shower curtain. Imagine, believe, achieve. Peace out.